Alright guys, so we're going to unbox this drag right here. I'm here to tell you right now, even with nothing in it, it's just in a box, it's pretty heavy. So I have pretty high expectations for it. So let's go ahead and open it up and assemble it and see what it can do. Alright guys, so here's all the pieces that we got. We got our instructions, we got our hardware and tools to actually connect everything. We got our mount if you have it mounted to a to a lawnmower or any other kind of device, you can hook this to it. That way it'll be out away from your hitch. Then they give you some straps. That way you need to strap some blocks down to add a little weight. That way it'll increase the amount that it's dragging. Then it gives you some gloves, some chains to help pull it. And so now let's go ahead and assemble this thing and see what it can do. All right, guys. So I got this upside down right now just to help put it together. But what you're going to do is you're going to just slide these two things into place, and you're going to screw some bolts into these holes to fasten these two pieces together. And I'll bring it back as soon as I get that done. Guys, so this is what it looks like before the drag. See all those nice long divots and holes, big potholes. So let's go over it a couple times and see what we can't fix. So I'm gonna drag it on my driveway. I got a few potholes that I want to try to fix. The driveway is really compact, so I'm probably gonna have to use some blocks to actually smooth it out, but I'm gonna try it without just to see what it can do first. All right, here we go. As you can tell, the driveway is really level now. It's really smooth. And this was like some hard compact stuff. And it was able to level it out no problem. It did take a couple passes, but you could tell with every pass that it was getting better and better. And highly recommend this thing. I also used it in my garden. I had some high lumps and humps from last year, and I leveled it out. And so, yeah, highly recommend. Thanks, guys.